Big day today. Probably did about 70 kilometers from Penticton. I think it got up to 35 degrees. I must have drank about 6 or 7 liters of water. Whew. Toasty. Just leaving our wild campsite by the river. It was really buggy, and we're going to be getting off the KVR and going on some logging roads, hopefully making it to Boston Bar today. It's supposed to get up to 43 or 44, so we'll see if that happens.
So I'm just checking the weather forecast, and I'm like, yeah, it sure is hot today. And I looked at the forecast, and it says right where we're heading directly is the hottest temperature ever recorded in Canada today, where we were supposed to head. So we decided to change plans and head south where it's a little cooler.
That Lytton, BC shattered the record for the highest temperature ever recorded in Canada for the third straight day on Tuesday.
Hey, what's up? Good morning. So, yesterday we had a bit of a change of plans. We were going to take some logging roads that I mapped out once the KVR ended to Boston Bar, and we're going to go up and around near Pemberton back to West Vancouver. But Lytton, which we were going through, recorded the hottest temperature ever recorded in Canada. So we decided to head back south towards Vancouver Island, back home. Last kilometer, we're a bunch of hike-a-bike. There's so many fallen trees in the trail. Hopefully there's no more coming up. So we were doing a bunch of hike-a-bike and I slipped in some moss and my knee hit a rock and I got a really deep cut. So just heading to get some stitches.
Hey, what's up? It's your boy, SBA here, just hanging out with Hope. I hope you had a good time watching us bike pack across BC. We're just gonna hang out in the pool and wait for our stitches to heal. Catch you in the next one.
We begin tonight with breaking news. The BC village that has earned a reputation as the hotspot in North America for the past 3 days has been evacuated as fire rips through the community.
The village of Lytton had been surrounded by 2 significant wildfires for the better part of the week, but it was a new fire that erupted late Wednesday afternoon that forced an emergency evacuation. Global News has confirmed that at least 10 homes, the ambulance station, and much of the main street has been destroyed.
Hey, thanks for watching the series. Unfortunately, my knee had swollen to the point where I could no longer bike, but my parents, who had existing plans to drive to Vancouver, ended up picking me up. I wanted to include the news clips about the fires in Lytton to provide extra context about the devastating effects that they had on the community. When I was on my way home, I was unaware that the fires were happening, and it would feel weird to only refer to the heat wave and not acknowledge the fires that resulted from them. A few weeks ago, Lytton, as well as other communities in and around the Lower Mainland and Sumas Valley, experienced terrible flooding and mudslides. Right now, the Canadian government is matching donations to the Red Cross to support these efforts and those who have been impacted. I've left a link to donate in the description below.